Hey guys, thank you very much for joining. Today by request, we're going to go over Mr. Action by Goose, another great Goose tune. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications. Whether you're new or returning, if you like these videos, please hit the like button, comment below. That really helps me out. Like I said, we got some fun stuff to dig into, so yeah, let's hop in. Okay, so for Mr. Action, we're going to start here on this intro, which is really just playing over the verse chords, but just kind of in a very chill manner to get started. So we start with this C sharp minor here. And so what I'm doing, so you could just play this C sharp minor, then to this F sharp minor, but instead of playing this F sharp minor, I'm just adding this little lead line in here. So okay, you could play it a bunch of different ways, but that's how I'm playing it. So after that C sharp minor here, I guess this is probably the easiest way to do it. So you can keep the shape here. Just take your pinky off. So we're hitting the D string here twice, and then the G. So D, G. Then we're going to put our pinky finger here on the 7th fret of the D. So okay, and then again, so that little line there takes place of our F sharp minor. So we're going to hop to the next chord after that, which is a B. And that's what I'm doing there. Again, you can mess around with it however you like to, but with this B, we're going here on the D string again, 4th fret. So twice. Then 3 times on the 2nd fret here on this G, and then we're going to resolve there on that 1st fret. So okay, then we get back to the C sharp minor again. Again, very similar, just trying to add a little bit more to it, right? So once we come back to this 7th fret here on the D, sorry. All we're doing really is hitting that twice, pulling it off, and going back to that 7th fret there. Okay, and then from here, we just go to this A flat. So all I'm doing on that one here, so this A flat, so it's 6th fret here, that D, down to the 7th, back to the 6th, oh, sorry, so 7th, 4, so 7, 6, 4, 6. And again, the easiest way to do that is to keep your shape here. All right, so we're just moving this pinky finger around, shape staying. All right, so I'll go play through that real quick here. Okay, all right, so there's the intro you can play there. Then for the chords here, so these are all bar chords, so we're going to go, so I'll go ahead and play through it here real quick. All right, so C sharp minor here to the F sharp minor, B. All right, so this E. So I mean, you can play E down here if you want to. I do believe that when Rick's playing, he's playing it this way. He likes playing this E a lot. So this is barring the 4th fret. Middle finger is on the 5th of the B. Ring finger is on the 6th of the D, and pinky is on the 7th of the A. From this E, you have an A flat minor 7, kind of a passing chord leading you back into the second part of the verse. So again, that first time through is second time through starts the same. So we get into our F sharp minor here. So this is, I believe this happens every second time through the verse. I think they go through this progression. So so we have the F sharp minor, and then I'm hitting an open E, just open E string here, and then I'm going into this E flat half diminished chord to an A flat 7. So that E flat diminished chord, which I love the sound of these chords. I don't often like playing them because they feel so unnatural, but this one's getting used to this one here. So we're here 6th fret, so index finger is on the 6th of the A, middle finger is on the 6th of the G, ring is on the 7th of the D, and pinky is on the 7th of the B. And that gives you your E flat half diminished chord. And then A flat 7. So we're just barring that 4th fret there. Middle finger is on the 5th. Middle finger is on the 5th of the G, and ring is on the 6th of the D. So that's your A flat 7 there. So again, that second time through the verse. Okay. And then from here, so going into the chorus, you know, they do this stuff here. I don't feel like it works that great when you're playing it by yourself, at least. But you can do it. I mean, but you're just really just kind of going down, you know, keeping that shape and just kind of trying to make some noise going down. But so the chorus, so you got E, F sharp minor. We're playing down here now. Okay, so again, we're just your standard bar E here. If you're not used to playing F sharp minors down here, which I don't typically do, you're going to bar 9th fret. Middle finger is going to be on the 10th of the B. Your pinky is on the 11th of the G, and ring is on the 11th of the D. So that'll be your F sharp minor down here. Then after, so go through that twice, and then to get back to the next verse section, just hit the C here, and then right back to it. Love those diminished chords, man. But yeah, so I would definitely takes practice getting used to this chord, this position. For me, at least, it's really very unnatural. But luckily, so you do this, hitting that open E does give you some time to move there. Okay, so if you're playing this on an electric, or if you've got a cutaway, which I don't have on this one right now, I think what Rick is playing for that second part, so second part of the verse, it still starts on the C sharp minor up here, then he's moving down to this F sharp minor here. So instead of up here, when I'm playing open E, you're going to put your pinky over here to get that note. And then for the E flat diminished chord, this one's even more unnatural. So we've got middle finger here hitting that 11th fret of the low E. Ring finger is on the 11th of the D. Pinky is on the 11th of the G. And index is on the 10th of the B. So that gives you that chord there. And then for your A flat 7, you're going to go with this little triady shape. So index finger on the 9th of the B, middle finger on the 10th of the D, ring finger is on the 11th of the A, and pinky is on the 11th of the G. So that gives you that chord there. So again, I think this, playing it down here, especially on the acoustic, is a little bit tougher. Something like that. Yeah, that one, like I said, that one's pretty tough. It's definitely doable though. It just takes some practice, and that's just not. I have not practiced going through that whole progression down there. But that's the way they're definitely playing it on the electric. If you watch the videos, Rick is definitely down here doing all his weird magic. Yeah, I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and we'll see you guys again soon.